I just want a contract that's short and sweet. If only I could tell you how often I hear that as a healthcare lawyer. I'm Erin Jackson with Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. Now, what's the point of a contract? It's to outline both parties' rights and responsibilities at the earliest possible stage. This gives both people confidence in the deal they're entering into, minimizes ambiguity, gives as much certainty as possible, and hopefully reduces the chances of dispute later. The idea when we draft a contract is we think up as many worst-case scenarios as we can, as many eventualities as we can, and then we draft clauses that respond to them. If you think none of these things will happen to you, that's wonderful. You'll never need the contract. It's our sincere hope. It lives in the bottom of a drawer in your office forever. However, if one of these things does arise, it would be so wonderful if your contract outlined it and you didn't need to rely on the court system to tell you what your rights and responsibilities are. Remember, when you're drafting a contract and you're starting a new business or new practice or merging practices or hiring another practitioner, you have a clean slate. You can outline pretty much whatever rights or responsibilities you'd like to. However, anything you overlook now and then sign that contract and then go on to encounter, those disputes will be adjudicated by a judge or jury. They will be much less favorable to both parties. Plus, it's extremely expensive. So what kind of eventualities might we be considering? Things that you don't think about when you're excited about starting a new business. Things like one person losing their professional license, a bankruptcy, maybe a divorce in the way that it impacts ownership in the practice, potentially an illness, obligations to maintain life insurance or disability insurance, tons of other things, opening competing clinics, experiencing various life events, experiencing a business partner who maybe is a little lazy and you don't feel like is upholding their end of the bargain. Maybe you want to set out what those expectations are at the outset of your relationship. These are just things to think about, but it's why a contract might not be one page, but a whole lot longer than that, because we're hoping to keep you out of court later. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit our website. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our attorneys to either discuss reviewing your current contract, redoing your contracts, or drafting a new one for you. For tips about staying compliant, subscribe to our YouTube channel.